Clemson, South Carolina, the home of
Natural Light, the Seltzer, the Catalina Lime Mixer, the Wixer.
Yeah.
What's this thing behind me right now?
I know the answer to that, actually.
Tell me then.
If
you know, then say it, dude.
It's a helicopter.
Make it look like that's us.
Yeah, edit it nice.
One more, dude. That's a vibe, boy.
That's a way to live, man.
We just got to the bar. We're here at Study Hall. We're about to get the night started. We just had a good dinner. Yeah, Study Hall. And I don't know why he said that, but we're here at Study Hall like I said the first time.
We're here at Study Hall.
And not only did you win the championship last year, but you're about to run it for fuck back to win another one.
We're outside the bus right now, outside of TD's. You've been seeing this bus all over town. You're like, dude, what's in there? Is there a couch? Is it a bed? Is it just random seats with seatbelts? What's going on? Our resident magician does live in the back where the magic happens.
We're just stocked, so that looks like a good amenity for a box.
That was kind of cool, actually. That was cool. I was trying to be funny. That was kind of